front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner. Then click on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. Quick tip, tap on your microphone and select tiny icon that will appear right next to it. Then hit next. Select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage some available options, click on those three lines on the left. If you want to move your toolbar, just hold it and drag it. To go back to standard keyboard, click on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!